In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops launched massive coordinated search operations in different areas of Srinagar and other districts, subjecting the local residents to immense inconvenience in biting cold. The troops, during coordinated search operations in various areas of Srinagar, Kupwara, Baramulla, Islamabad and Pulwama districts, forced the people to come out of their homes and made them to stay in open for hours in severe cold. The residents told media that troops barged into residential houses, misbehaved with women and intimidated inmates. The locals of Kralgund area of Kupwara said that the Indian soldiers looted the houses and also took away the gold ornaments of a family. Pertinently, Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is passing through Chilai Kalam, the 40-day harshest winter period which will conclude on January end. Meanwhile, the families of 3 persons illegally detained by Indian police from Bandipora town in October this year staged a protest demonstration at the press enclave in Srinagar demanding their immediate release. Indian police had arrested Armin Gojar, Abdul Bari and Mohammad Suleiman Gojar after summoning them to a police station on 8th October this year. They were later booked under Draconian Law Public Safety Act. Hurriyat leader and the chairman of Islami Tanzim-e-Azadi Jammu and Kashmir, Abdul Samad Inqalabi, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that the permanent peace in the world cannot be established without resolving the Kashmir dispute by giving the Kashmiris their right to self-determination. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, addressing a gathering in Jammu, said the Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party government has turned entire Jammu and Kashmir into a laboratory where experiments are conducted on daily basis. She said the Modi regime is trying to fulfill its motives by using the Indian army. A Delhi court extended the judicial remand of noted Kashmir human rights defender Khurram Parvez till January 21, 2022. He was arrested by India's notorious National Investigation Agency (NIA) after raiding his residence and office in Srinagar on November 22 and was later booked under Draconian Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. A group of independent United Nations human rights experts and the Asian Federation Against Involuntary Disappearances have demanded immediate release of Khurram Parvez. A series of incendiary video clips have surfaced on social media showing prominent Hindutva figures giving genocidal speeches targeting Muslims. The speakers, including serial offender and controversial Hindu priest Yati Narsinganand Saraswati, Sagar Sindhu Maharaj, Annapurnama Dharamdas Maharaj and Anand Swarup Maharaj were addressing a 3-day hate speech conclave held from 17th to 19th December in Haridwar city of the Indian state of Uttarakhand. The speakers can be seen openly giving calls to kill Muslims and attack their places of worship.